Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting to review the post-cyclone situation, especially in the northeastern states. At least 36 people were killed in heavy rains and landslides in 4 of the 8 northeastern states due to Cyclone Remal. The PM also chaired a meeting to review the heatwave situation across the country. Most states in North and Central India have been reeling under intense heatwave, with temperatures exceeding 45 degrees Celsius in many cities. Tension prevailed at Agal Panchayat in all of Kendrapara district on Saturday over the mishandling of the electronic voting machine. Protests erupted after locals spotted an EVM machine inside the vehicle that had come to the Panchayat to take the EVM machines after the completion of the polls at booth number 51 yesterday. Later, police officials reached the spot, and the polling party returned along with the EVMs after proper discussions were held with the agitators. Similarly, in another incident, a road blockade was staged in Dharmasala in the Jajpur district after EVM was allegedly not kept in the strong room. Scores of locals staged the demonstrations after some EVMs were taken to the block office instead of the strong room. The death toll in the tragic cracker explosion during Chandan Yatra in Puri rose to 11. Several devotees had sustained burn injuries after crackers exploded during Chapa Khelo of the Trinity in Narendra Pond as part of Chandan Yatra in Puri on 29th May. At present, 19 patients are undergoing treatment in different hospitals of Odisha, and the state government is monitoring the situation. Several parts of Odisha are currently experiencing heatwave conditions. 3 places in the state recorded 45 degrees or above on Saturday, while 12 places recorded day temperature 41 degrees or above, informed IMD Bhubaneswar Director Manorama Mohanty. According to Mohanty, there has been a drop in maximum temperature in some places, but the heatwave conditions will continue in 4 to 5 places in Bolangir, Bargarh, Kalahandi, Nuapada and Sonpur for the next 3 days. In coastal districts, hot and humid conditions are likely to prevail in coastal districts of the state. Some parts of Odisha are also likely to experience light to moderate rainfall with thunderstorm activities today and on Monday.